Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we'll continue doing problems for this section 8.2. We did this one. Now we'll continue. Consider non-homogeneous equation. The general solution is this. Then the particular solution is what? Okay, so I have this is f of t. I need to find xb. xb, and they have 5t here. What it will be 5t? 1, 1, 3at, 2at. Yeah, so this is x1, this is x2, this is xc. Okay, so xb will be 5t integral phi inverse of t f of t dt. Now it means I need to find the phi inverse of, phi inverse. So I need to find the determinant of 5t. That will be what? 2 minus 3 minus e to the power t. So phi inverse of t, that will be what? Minus e is minus t, 1 over this, which is minus e. Then this one, 2et, and this is 1, and this is minus 3et, and this is minus 1. Yeah, so be careful. That will be minus 2. That will be 3. E to the power minus c times e to the power t is e to the power 0, which is 1. This is e is minus t. This is minus e is minus t. Okay, now let me do phi inverse t times f of t. I will do this, then I will integrate it. That will be what? Minus 2, 3, e minus t minus e is minus t. What is f of t? 4 and minus 1. That will be what? That will be minus 8 minus 3. It's minus 11. Okay, and this is 4 e is minus t plus e is minus t, so it's 5 e is minus t. Now integrate it. Hopefully the calculations are okay. That will be minus 11t minus 5 e is minus t. Now xb, let me call this y of t. So xb will be phi of t times y at t. That will be what? Now I have phi, which is this one. This is phi. Oops. Times this vector. So be careful. That will be first row times this column minus 11t, and then minus 11t. Then I have minus 15. Yeah, minus 15. E to the power t times e is minus t gone. Okay. Second row times this, I have minus 11t. Then I have 2 times this, which is minus 10. Okay, so this is xb. What he want xp at minus 1. Substituting t minus 1, so I have 11 minus 15 and 11 minus 10. And that is minus 4 and 1, which is this. Okay. Yeah. Let me do this one. What we have, x1, this is x1. So I have 5t, clear. Okay. That will be 2, 1 minus a2t, a2t. That will be 5t. What I need, this is xb. This is the solution with the initial condition. I don't care about the initial condition since my solution, usually it is xc plus xb. To find the xb, I don't care about the initial condition. That will be 5t times c1, c2 plus xb. xb will not be affected by the initial condition. Very clear. I have the initial condition. This is 1. This is 2 over 3. But that will not affect the value of xb. Okay, so we'll do xb like the regular one. xb will be phi of t integral I inverse of t f of t dt. Okay, then we'll do the same thing. Determinant of phi of t to find the inverse. 2 minus, that will be plus, that will be 3. 2 minus minus, so it will be 3 e to t. So what is phi inverse of t? That will be 1 over 3 e minus 2t times what? This is swap them. You multiply by minus, this is e to t, this is minus 1. So that will be what? 1 over 3 e to the power minus t minus 2t times e to the power 2t, that is 0. E to the power 0, which is 1. This is 1 over 3 also. This is minus 1 over 3 e minus 2t. This is 2 over 3 e minus 2t. Now what I need phi inverse of t times f of t. I need this step. That would be what? 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 2 over 3 times what? What is f of t? Yeah, this is my f of t. So this is the system times 2, 3. That give me what? First row, 2 over 3 plus 1. That will be 5 over 3. Here I have what? Minus 2 over 3 plus 2. That will be 4 over 3 e minus 2t. Now I need to find the integral of that. And this will be 5 over 3t. This one I divide by minus half, or I multiply by minus half, divide by minus 2, multiply by minus half, that will be minus 2 over 3 e minus 2t. Yeah, do the integral the way you like. Now, yeah, that will be the integral. So what is xb? Let me call this y of t. So xp of t, that will be phi of t times y at t. Yeah, this is phi times this. Yeah, let me do it in steps. First row times first column, I have 10 over 3 t. Then I have what? Minus 2 over 3. Because e is minus 2t. No, sorry, this is, yeah, minus e is 2t. This is minus. That will be plus 2 over 3. E to the power 2t times e to the power minus 2t. That is e to the power 0, which is 1, plus 2, 3. 2 over 3. Here I have what? 5 over 3t minus 2 over 3. So what is xb at what? At 1. That will be 1. 10 over 3 plus 2 over 3, 12 over 3, which is 4. 5 minus 2, 3 over 3, which is 1. So this is my answer. Okay. Is it the same thing? No, it's an easier 2, 1. No, it's this a little bit different. Okay. So what he want? He want xp at t equal 1. He want xp at the end, and then just substitute. Xp will be 5 of t integral phi inverse of t f of t dt. What is 5t from here? Since the solution for the homogeneous, which is 5t, that will be 1, 1, 3et, 2et. I need to find phi inverse. First, find the determinant of that. That will be 2 minus 3 minus e to the power t. So phi inverse of t will be minus e minus t times what? This is 2et, and this is 1 minus 3et minus 1. You know how to find the inverse. Okay, that will be what? Minus 2, 3, e is minus t minus e is minus t. Yeah, be careful with the calculation. Phi inverse of t times f of t. This is, and this is f of t, by the way. So that will be this times 4 and minus 1. Yeah, I need to be careful. Minus 8 minus 3, that is minus 11. Here I have what? 4 plus 1, that is 5 is minus t. So it's the integral of this, which is, you call it y. T, anything, yeah. Y inverse of t, f of t dt. That will be the integral of this minus 11t minus 5 is minus t. Now, what will be xp of t? It will be phi of t times this y, and that will be what? This is phi multiplied by this. No, multiplied by this one. Yeah. So I have 1 minus 11t, then 3, that is minus 15. E to the power t times e to the power minus t gone. I have then minus 11t again, and this is minus 10. Now, what will be xp at 1? That will be minus 11 minus 15 minus 11 minus 10, which is minus 26 minus 21. Good. Now let me go to the next one. Yeah, I think the same idea is coming back and forth. Now this is will be f of t, and this is 5t. It's a solution of the suggested homogeneous. So 5t will be e to t minus 2 e to t is minus t minus is minus t. That will be my 5t. Okay, am I right? Yeah, e to t minus 2 e to t is minus t minus is minus t. Perfect. Now, determinant of 5t, that will be what? Minus e to the power t plus 2 e to the power t, so e to the power t. Yeah, minus, and then plus 2, minus 2, which is plus 2. That will be e to the power t. So phi inverse of t will be e minus t times what? This is, change the location. That to change the sign. Yeah, and that would be equal to what? Yeah, that will be equal to e minus 2t, e minus 2t, 2et, et. That's phi inverse. I need phi inverse of t times f of t. That will be what? Let me do it carefully. Hopefully I did not do any mistake. Times 2 and minus 2 et. Yeah, that will be what? First times the second, that will be 2e minus 2t minus 2e minus t. Okay. Then I have 4et minus 2e to t. Now I need to find the integral of this. This is my y. F of t dt. Integrate this. No need. It's very easy to do. That will be what? Yeah. Did I do any mistake in any place? No, it didn't say anything. I'm doing fine. Let me continue, see what will happen. I should get this answer. So be careful. Now, to grade this, that will be what? E minus 2t minus is minus 2t. So differentiate, you get this. This one plus 2 is minus t. Differentiate, you should get, differentiate this one, you get what? 2e minus 2t minus 2e is minus t. Good. This one will be easier, or et minus e2t. Differentiate it, you should get this. Okay. Now xb, my answer, it should be phi of t times y of t. What is phi? Yeah, e2 e minus t minus 2 e2t minus e is minus t times this minus e minus 2t plus 2 e minus t for et minus e 2t. Yeah, let me see what will happen. Okay, this one will give me minus 1. First row. Yeah, so the first one times this plus 2 et, and this times this, that will be plus 4 minus e2 minus et. There is mistakes somewhere. This is e2t minus 2 e2t, e minus minus e minus d. That will be e2e minus this minus plus 2, which is e to the power t. So you have e is minus t. This, put it here. This is make it here. And this is minus. This is plus. Good. Now do the multiplication. Yeah, this is minus. As always, sign missing there or there. No, yeah, this is minus and this is minus also. Multiply minus minus. So this is 2, this is this. So if I inverse, this is minus, this is minus. 2 minus 2 e to the power t. Yeah, I'm getting minus 2 plus 2 is minus 2t. The rest are okay. Yeah. Oh, this is. I need to integrate it. That will be e minus 2t. That minus 2 is minus t. So that will be plus, and that should be minus. Now do the multiplication. This give me plus 1. This times all of this minus 2. Yeah, 80. Yeah, now the answer is the same. Yeah, as usual, there's a minus somewhere. Okay, this is good. Easy to check. Now this one times the first row, I have what? Minus 2. Okay. Plus 4 et. This one, this times that, minus 4. Yeah, minus 4. And this is minus or plus. (5t) minus minus. So this is minus 2. This is plus 4 et. Okay. And here I have Now this one times this, that will be what? This times that will be minus 4 plus ET. That give me 5. So maybe that's okay. So this is 5 minus 3 ET. Yeah, the things are okay. Just you need to check the calculation. Minus 6 plus 5 ET. He said plus 3. I'm not sure. Yeah. For AT. Okay. Differentiate this. You should get this. Yeah, for AT minus 2 E to T. Okay. Now, this is 5T. And this is minus 1. This is minus E is minus T. So this is, yeah, it seems to be correct. Multiply first row, first element by the first element, and the second element by the second element. Yeah. I get minus 4 plus 80. Yeah, that would be the answer. Okay, let me go to multiple choice questions. This is x1, this is x2. So I have 5t will be 1, 1, 5 et, 4 et. Okay, what you want? Then which of the following is the vertical section? Well, this is f of t. Then the same thing. What's the determinant of 5t? You want x at b. Yeah, x at b equal what? Okay. Determinant will be 4 minus 5 minus e to the power t. So that means phi inverse of t. That will be what? Minus e is minus t times phi. Now change. This is 4at. This is 1. This is minus 1. This one will be what? Minus 4 plus 5. This is e minus t. Minus e is minus t. Now I need phi inverse of t times f of t. Yeah, that will be what? This. Be careful. This is e. Yeah. I change the signs. Yes. Multiply by minus, that will be plus, and this is minus. I don't want to do mistakes in the calculation. The idea is very clear. Now it's a matter of calculation. That will be minus 8 plus 5, which is minus 3. Okay. Is minus t. 2 minus, that will be is minus t. What will be y of t, which is the integral? This. That easily minus 3t minus e is minus t. Now I need to multiply. Yeah, xb of t will be 5t times y of t. That will be 1 times this minus 3t minus e is minus t. That will be what? This times this minus 3t minus 5. This is minus 3t minus 4. Good. And no mistakes. Good. Calculation mistakes. Okay. With lambda 1 equal this, lambda 2 equal this, eigenvalues, corresponding eigenvectors. So from these, I'm getting what? X1 is 1, 1, e minus 2t, and x2 equal 1 minus 2 e to the power minus 5t. So 5t. This is my f of t, huh? So 5t will be e minus 2t, e minus 5t, e minus 2t, minus 2e minus 5t. Yeah, let me be careful with the calculation. So what is xb? I need to find the solution. He said solve this. What's the solution? X will be xc plus xb. What is xc? It's 5t times c. This is 5t integral. This is okay. This is similar to this. Done. And this is the c. So I need now the xb. Let me be sure about the calculation. I need to find phi inverse. So I need to find the return at first. That will be what? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 e minus 7t. Oh, what a number. Is it? Both of them are minus. Yeah. So I have minus 2 e minus 7t minus e minus 7t, which is minus 3. So phi inverse of t will be minus 1 over 3 e 7t times, these two, I will swap them. This I will change the sign. Yeah, that will be what? Let me have 1 over 3 outside. But this one will be what? It's 3. Okay. So that give me, yeah, let me do it with the fraction. Because the things are with the fraction. So let me do it with the fraction. That will be 2 over 3 e to t. Am I right? 2 over 3 e to t. And 1 over 3 e to t. Then I have what here? 1 over 3 e 5t. And then I have what? Minus 1 over 3 e 5t. Now I need to find phi inverse of t times f of t. F of t is what? 3 and minus and e to the power minus t. So let me write it here. Three. Okay. That give me what? Multiply this by this. The first row by the column. I have 2 et, 2 e to the power 2t plus 1 over 3 e to the power t. That will be the first column, the first element. Second one, it will be e 5t. Okay. Minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3 e 4t. Am I right? Seems to me. Let us continue, see what will happen. Yeah. That now I need to do the integration now. The integral. Five comes from where? This is 1 e minus 2t, 1 minus 2 e to the power minus 5t. So it's e minus 2t, e minus 2t, e minus 5t, minus 2e minus 5t. 5t, the determinant will be minus 2 minus 1, minus 3 e to the power minus 7t. So I have minus 1 over 3 e to the power 7t times, swap these two, minus, and this is plus, multiply by minus both of these. Do the product, you have 2 over 3 e to t And I have 1 over 3 E2T. Good. This one, 1 over 3 A5T, and 1 over 3 E5T. Correct? Yeah, minus 1 over 3 A5T. Okay. Then, yeah, it seems to be okay. Just I'm double checking. 2 over 3 E2T, 1 over 3 E2T, 3 5T, minus 1 over 3 A5T. 3 and E is minus T. That is F of T. That will be 2 A2T plus 1 over 3 e to the power t. Then I have e to the power 5t minus 1 over 3 e40. Good. So now I need to find y of t, which is the integral of this. Be careful with the calculation. Yeah, just sometimes I need to double check that what I'm doing is correct. Yeah, be careful here. E2t is easy, plus 1 over 3 et. Yeah, that's very easy. Differentiate, you should get this. Now I have 1 over 5 a5t. Oops. And this one minus 1 over 12 e4t. Yeah. Is it correct? Yeah. Differentiate, you should get that, which is correct. Okay. Now we'll find xb of t, which is supposed to be this one. That will be phi of t times y of t. And that equal to what? Yeah, be careful. 5t, which this one times this. The first row times the column. So you have 1. Okay. This element plus 1 over 3 e minus t. Then this times this plus 1 over 5. I'm going fine. Minus 2 plus 1 over 6 e minus t. Okay. Now I need to multiply this by the first and this by the second. Okay. So I have 1 also plus 1 over 3. What is this? Yeah, it's the same value. Plus 1 over 3. Yeah, by default, yeah, is minus t. Now this minus 2, that will be minus 2 over 5. Okay. And then plus be careful, be careful, be careful. Okay, this a minus 2t times this, that will be 1 plus 1 over 3 e to the power minus t. Down e to the power minus 5 times this, we get 1 over 5. Then times this, we get minus 1 over 12. Okay. Now this one times this, you have 1 plus 1 over 3 e to the power minus t. Now this one times this, you have minus 2 over 5. That's it. And plus 1 over 6 is minus t. Yeah. Now this one will be what? 1 plus 1 over 5, that will be 6 over 5. 1 over 3, which is 4 over 12 minus 1 over 3 over 12 plus 1 over 4. T minus t. Good. And this one, 3 over 5. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6. 2 over 6. That will be half. Yes. Plus half a minus t. Now what will be my general solution? X will be xc plus xb, and that will be 5t times c plus xb of t, which is this one. This is 5t, this is c, and this is xb. Good. Now let me do more problems. Yeah. Okay. X equal this, so 5t will be et e minus t, 3e minus t. Okay. Homogeneous. I want to find xp, where this is f of t. Okay, so what is xb? Will be 5t integral by inverse of t, f of t dt. Apply the formula. Nothing to worry about. So I need to find the determinant of 5t. That what? 3 minus 1, which is 2. So phi inverse of t will be half. Yeah, swap these two and change sign. Okay, and that will be what? 3 over 2 e minus t minus half e minus t minus half et half et. Okay. So now we need to find phi inverse of t times f of t. That will be what? This times that. Since I have 0, it will be easy. This is first row times this, that will be 0. That will be minus 2t e minus t. Okay. And do the same here. That will be 0 and 2t et. Yeah, I need to do the integration. I need my parts. Y of t, the integral phi inverse of t f of t dt. Yeah, be careful with this integration. Now what will be the integration? Yeah, I need to integrate this. Let me do it here. Minus 2t e minus t minus 2 0. This is plus. This is minus. So that will be what? Yeah, 2t is minus t plus 2 is minus t. Yeah. Is it? No, there is something wrong. This is minus 2t. I have is minus t. Differentiate, you have what? 2 is minus t minus 2t is minus t. And minus 2 is minus t, which is, yes, which is correct. Yes, correct. Now this one, which is easier, I think it should be 2t et 20 et. This is plus, this is minus. So I have 2t et minus 2 et. Yeah. Now my xb should be what? Phi of t times y of t. Okay. This is 5t. Yeah. Do the multiplication, see what will happen. This times this, you have what? 2t plus 2, 2t plus 2. Then this times this, plus 2t minus 2. Good. Then I have 2t and this times this, 2t plus 2 again. Then plus 6t minus 6. Yeah. So that will be what? 40. This is 80 minus 4, which is this one. Good. 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is e to the power at. He gave me this. This is f of t. Yeah. And he want the answer at e. So he wants me to find the full answer for x equal xc plus xb. Yeah. If x is the solution of the initial value, the full answer, that will be EAT c plus EAT integral f of t dt. Okay. Now I need to find e minus at. That will be 1 minus t, t minus t, 1 plus t. Now e minus at times f of t, before I do the integral, that will be 1. This times this, so I have 1 over t. Okay. I need to multiply the first row by the column. So I have 1 over t minus 1 plus 1. Then I have what? Minus 1 plus 1 over t plus 1. So it will be 1 over t, 1 over t. What is the integral of that? Which is equal to y of t. Integral. That's very clear. Ln t, ln t, where t is positive. Huh? No need for absolute value. Now, what is xb of t? That will be phi of t, or 8 to the power 80 in this case. 8 to the power 80 times y of t. Yeah, 8 to the power 80 times this. Yeah, that would be what? I have this times that, t ln t plus ln t minus t ln t. And then I have t ln t plus ln t minus t ln t. And that will be ln t ln t. Okay. That xb, we find xb. Now we need to find, we need to find x, the general solution. That will be t plus 1 minus t, t 1 minus t, which is e to the power at times c1, c2 plus this is ln t, ln t. Okay. Now I have this initial condition, x at 1. So I have x at 1 to find c1 and c2. That will be what? Yeah. I have this will be 2 minus 1, 1, 0 times c1, c2 plus 0, 0. And that should equal to 2c1 minus c2. And this is c1, that equal 2 minus 1. So c1 equal minus 1. And 2c1, let me say c2. c2 will be equal, take it this way, 2c1 plus 2. That will be minus 2 plus 2, that will be 0. Okay. So x of t will be, let's write it here, t plus 1 minus t, t 1 minus t. This is c1, c2. c1 is minus 1, c2 is 0, plus ln t, ln t. Okay. X at a. Yeah, that will be what? A plus 1 minus a 1 minus a minus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. And that equal to what? This is minus a minus 1. Yeah, directly. There's a mistake somewhere. This is E plus 1 minus E. Yeah, I need to figure out where is the mistake. As usual, it will be sign there or there. Okay, is 1 minus T, T minus T1 plus T. This is E minus T times f of T, which is 1 over T, 1 over T. That will be this times this. It will be 1 over T minus 1 plus 1. Good. And the next one, minus 1 plus 1 over T plus 1, which is 1 over T. So that will be ln T integral. Now multiply it by e to the power at. So you have T ln T plus ln T minus T ln T, which is ln T. And you have T ln T plus ln T minus T ln T, which is ln T. Okay. So this seems to be okay. T plus 1 minus T, T1 minus C times C1 plus C2, and this C2 plus ln T. I have X at 1. So let's take T and put 1. That will be 2 minus 1, 1, 0 times C1, C2. Ln 1, 1, that is 0, 0. So you have 2C1 minus C2. That's equal to 2. And C1 is equal to minus 1. C1 equal minus 1. Gone. Now, let me solve this again. Yeah, seems to be a mistake here. So this is 2C1 minus C2 equal to. So I have minus 2 minus C2 equal to. So C2 equal minus 4. Yeah. So minus 2 plus 4 equal to, yes. So C2 equal minus 4. That will make a lot of difference. Yeah. This is minus 4. Let me do the multiplication again. This is minus A minus 1 plus 4E. Yeah, just a light mistake. Plus 1. This one minus A minus 4 plus 4E plus 1. So that will be 3E minus 3, which is this one. Yeah. Yeah, I think. Yeah, calculation, always these calculation things. Don't rush the things. Yeah, we have just few. Then let me stop. Then I have questions from the book. Let me stop this video. I think we did a good number of questions. Yeah. Thank you.